There to the back, yeah?
Clockwise to front?
Yes.
Front.
No, there to the front and that to the back. So if you turn clockwise, then it's more to the back. Yeah, there is no. No. This one is required.
Clockwise to front.
No, opposite side. If you turn that, yeah, so anti-clockwise is to the front, more to the front. Clockwise, more to the rear. So you should always flat shift when the wheels are not spinning. Yeah, so pull it hard, number one, and go up the revs to 8,000, number two.
Okay. It is getting better. I just love it. So let's keep it positive in the car, obviously. How is Edgar's doing with the pace notes? Tell me.
My important point is just reading, just hearing his pace note, and I have to keep concentration to run continue, and I have to be safe this leg one, and I go up the pace for leg two. This is my target.
All right. I wish you all the best to both of you guys and keep pushing.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Super. Nu tas bija monologs. Ļoti precīzi paskaidroja, ko tieši viņš grasās darīt šajā rallijā. Tātad vakar smējāmies, ka Edgars Svencis jau ir iemācījies japāņu valodā lasīt stenogrammu, tikai beigās viņš atzina, ka viņš pats nesaprot, ko viņš tur runā. Bet galvenais, ka pilots saprot, tā esot svarīgākā lieta, bet ja nopietni, tad...
We made 3 stages, so two stages was quite good. Third stage was a little bit problems with the pace notes, but because of that, when we write it, it was the first stage what we write, and didn't have any experience about these roads for Futoshi, so that's why this stage was a little bit problem, but overall everything is good. Only in the stage ends some problems with the throttle, it just disappear, and we roll into the stage finish, so also to the stop sign we just slowly rolling in, so it was like that, but everything good, we are here and keep going, so that's the most important thing here.
Thank you.
Thank you.
How do you found things? How do you
I think others was very collaborate so Takeda, president of Takeda, visited the European country last year, and some go west to some factories, so he decided to make a good combination. So I'm not sure,
Do you like how this thing works?
I don't have such a big service in Japan, so the mechanic is professional, so very fantastic.
Okay, and for this rally, have you done everything according to your plan? Is it going well?